Hey guys, welcome back to this week's grocery haul. Everything's going to be pretty quick today because I'm not feeling it today. I've been under the weather this past week, so I'm just going to do this very quickly so that way I can get all of my freezer stuff in the freezer. So let's get started. Alright, so starting off with the meat, I got this pack of beef stew meat. I've got a pack of cube steak. I'm going to do one for cube steaks, and I'm going to like half this and do one for cube steaks and one for sandwiches. I've got 2 packs of like a pound of ground beef, and then I've got this chuck roast for an upcoming recipe. I've got a pack of chicken thighs and a pack of chicken breast. Both of these are boneless and skinless. And that is all for the meat. Okay, starting off back here, I've got some sweet potatoes. I have been craving some sweet potatoes, so I got a pack of that. Some potatoes, because my last pack, I didn't eat it in time, so I had to chunk that out. It was bad, so I've got a pack of that. I've got some more Parmesan cheese, some Greek yogurt. I like to have this in the mornings with some protein powder, or as a dessert. Just mix a little bit of protein powder in there and freeze it. Makes for a great dessert. So I've got that. I got a block of mozzarella cheese. I was out of that. I've got some ricotta cheese for an upcoming recipe. I've got some Kraft singles here. I love keeping these on hand for sandwiches, grilled cheeses. I also give these to the pups for treats. I've got some cottage cheese here. I like the low fat cottage cheese. It's just lower in calories. And I'll have that for breakfast one morning. So I've got that. I've got some more tomatoes. I love these. These are really good. I've got 2 packs of asparagus and 2 packs of green beans just to replace what I've used up. And I've got 2 packs of these cheese lovers tortellini. This is for an upcoming recipe. It's like a copycat recipe, so stay tuned for that. I picked up some more of this liquid IV. I like this when I'm like not feeling very well. It's great to have for hydration. I've got some Klondike bars. My daughter wanted these swirl sticks, so I've got some of those. I've got some Tillamook ice cream. This is the butter pecan. She also wanted some whole milk. I do not drink milk. It doesn't agree with me, but my daughter seems to do pretty well with it. I've got some jasmine rice. Back here I've got a big bag of broccoli. We love broccoli. We go through it pretty quick in the house. I've got some lasagna noodles for an upcoming recipe. Got that right there. I've got some more elbow macaroni and some more ziti, just to replace what I've used up. They didn't have the restaurant style fries, so I just had to get the crinkle cuts, but that's fine. We love this brand. I've got some shredded hash browns. My daughter wanted these Hershey's milks for school, so I picked those up for her. I've got some more olive oil. I've got some Worcestershire sauce, some more eggs. I picked her up some more Gatorade. I think this is the Cool Blue. Yeah. And then I also picked up 2 of these seaweed snacks. My daughter's already got hers, so I'm going to have this for a snack. I picked up some more ranch powder, some garam masala for an upcoming recipe, 2 cans of coconut milk for an upcoming recipe. And I also picked up 2 bags of these Terra chips. These are really, really good. My daughter's already got hers, so I've got that. For non-food items, I just picked up some more body wash. I love this brand. They're really, really good. And then I picked up some more heat protectant spray. This stuff smells absolutely, it just smells so good. And then I picked up some more of my face cream. So yeah, that is all for this week's grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.